Hello. As I'm at YouTube Space in Los Angeles, I thought I'll create a little video about video marketing, as this is the mecca for video marketing. And I just want to give you some advice, tips, and hopefully some inspiration as to how you too can get started using video marketing. It's not difficult, it's not rocket science. It just needs a little bit of work and consistency. A lot of people give up too quickly and too easily. So I want to share with you my journey to how I started with video marketing and how I ended up at a place like this, which is thousands of miles away from me. So 2017, December 2017 to be precise, I got fed up one day, came home, and my wife said, "Why are you so miserable?" I said, "Well, I'm seeing the same people when I used to go to all the business networking events, and I knew that they were not my ideal audience." So then she said, "Well, stop going then and do something else." I said, "Well, if I don't go to these events, how are we going to get some work?" So that planted an idea in my head as to I've got to change and I've got to do something different, because if you keep on doing the same thing over and over again, you're going to get the same results, and you've got to make changes, and you need to be strong enough to make those changes and take those hard decisions. So I decided, yes, I'm going to do something different, and I've been messing around with videos on my DSLR and on the smartphone for a bit of time, but nothing serious, and it was just stop start and a video here and a video there. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens, and it has completely changed our business to the point that we now have clients from all over the world. We have very few clients locally, funny enough, but because of the way we operate, our clients could be anywhere in the world. So I started looking at YouTube and looking at it very seriously over the Christmas holidays, and 1st January 2018, as we all do with every new year, I gave myself a New Year's resolution to give myself a challenge. The challenge was to upload 90 videos over 90 days. So a video a day pretty much. And I told myself, even if I don't get a single like, share, dislike, comment, or no engagement, I'm going to keep on doing it and see what happens. And I started uploading videos. Now the videos were all about Google Ads, tutorial videos, walkthrough videos, tips and techniques, and short videos like this. And within a matter of days, I started to get likes, comments, emails that, "Oh, thank you so much for putting up these videos, really like it, the way you teach," and so on. So I knew that my audience was resonating with my content, they were liking it, and I kept on going about it. And within 60 days, I knew that this is the way to go. Now, a lot of people give up after 4 days or 5 days, but I kept going, and I started to see results. The key to this video marketing was the content, the quality of the content. Before, I think wasn't giving good quality content, but now I was producing content which my audience loved and liked, and I knew I need to do more of that, and I kept on doing more of those. And then the idea came about of creating online courses where I can digitalize my know-how, expertise, and experience into short videos and put them up as an online course which we sell. So I've got 2 right now, and I've got more coming up in the future. But what I found that when people see your video and they like you and trust you, they will come to you and they're going to ask you for your help. And that is the beauty of video. Just right now, you are listening to me, watching me on my video. So all these videos which I put up, they are kind of like my sales people. They are doing their job 24/7, and the more I have, the more I'm going to get. But having said that, it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. You can have a handful of videos and then get it indexed in Google or YouTube, and you can get some really good quality traffic. So don't go for the quantity. Oh, I've got 200 videos and 300 videos and 1 million views. Views, like, shares do not pay your bills. Only customers do. But to get the customers, you need to get them as a lead, and then convert a percentage of those leads into clients. And to get those leads, you need to have content so that people can listen to you, listen to your message, and they will very soon know that you are the go-to expert in your niche or industry. And that is the beauty of video. You can create your videos using your smartphone. It doesn't need to be a very expensive kit. I mean, the kit which I'm using right now is just a small little tripod, a light, and a microphone, and all of this costs less than 50 pounds, or around $50-60. So you don't need to break the bank. So as I started doing those, uploading those videos on YouTube, I then got my first big break. Thank you to Anton at SEM Rush, and he wanted me to make a blog post about my 90-day challenge. And that's when I got my big break, and I'm now contributing a lot more content to them as well. And I'll put the link of that blog under this video, where you can go and read all about how I started from pretty much 0 subscribers on YouTube to over almost 9,800 subscribers. So video marketing is the place to go, and I would highly recommend you start 2020 with video marketing. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.